Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Fisher 845, wind 0508, 181, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 1, gesture 845.
Fisher 845, contact Newark departure 119.2. Fisher 845, contact Newark departure 119.2.
19-2, gesture 845.
Gesture 845, Newark. Departure. Gesture 845, Newark departure, radar contact 1700, increase your speed to 250. Increase speed to 250, gesture 845. Please verify altitude. Climb at 2000, gesture 845. Gesture 845, low altitude alert, check your altitude immediately, Newark altimeter 2988, climb and maintain 3000. Climb and maintain 3000, gesture 845. Gesture 845, I just want to make sure everything. Gesture 845, I see you descending here, you went down to 1200, back to 2100, is everything okay here? Gesture 845, Newark. Gesture 845, Newark. Gesture 845, you can hear the transmission ident, please. Gesture 845, Newark approach, Teterboro Airport, just off your left side, about 8 miles. If you need to return to the field, there is no traffic in between you and Teterboro Airport at 3000. Gesture 845, Caldwell Airport, 11 across and 3 miles. Gesture 845, maintain 4000.
Gesture 845, declare an emergency, request coming back.
Gesture 845, thank you. What do you need? Do you want Caldwell, Morristown, Teterboro, or Newark?
Let's go, Newark, gesture 845.
Gesture 845, okay, radar vectors to Newark Airport. You're clear to Newark Airport. Via vectors, turn left heading 190. Can you maintain altitude 3000?
Gesture, we're trying, looks like we're having a trim issue, hard to control the aircraft.
Gesture 845, proceed to Newark Airport. Your discretion on navigation. Are you able to make the left turn to Newark? Additionally, you have Morristown Airport, 11 o'clock, about 6 miles. Morristown's 11 o'clock, 6 miles.
All right, well, give us a heading for Morristown, gesture 845.
Gesture 845, turn left heading 220.
Left heading 220, gesture 845.
Gesture 845, Morristown Airport, 12 o'clock and 4 miles. Morristown Airport, straight ahead, runway 23.
Right, completing straight ahead, gesture 845.
Okay, do you want Morristown, ILS runway 23 in use? The wind is 020 at 4, 5 miles visibility, drizzle, overcast 800. Gesture 845, the minimum vectoring altitude in your area is 2,500. Gesture 845, Morristown Airport's off your left side, about 4 miles.
Right, yeah. Where are you?
Gesture 845, would able to say the souls and fuel on board.
2,000 bar, I'll give it a few now.
Jet Chair 845, how long of a runway do you need to land? We have a couple alternate airports that we can get you to. Let me know how much runway you need. Jet Chair 845, I can set you up for vector onto runway 11 at Newark Airport if you'd like. It's about 18 miles to the east, runway 11 at Newark if you'd like.
Yeah, we can take that. You say 45.
Right, Jet Chair 845, turn left heading 130.
Left heading 130, you say 45.
Jet Chair 845, Newark, information wind 030 at 107 miles visibility, light rain, two cars at 5,000, broken at 900.
You say 45.
Jet Chair 845, the Newark localizer frequency for runway 109.15, runway 11 localizer 109.15, the localizer is up and active. Maintain at or above 2,000 while your present heading. Join the localizer for runway 11 into Newark Airport, Jet Chair 845. Jet Chair 845, intercept the localizer runway 11 to Newark on your present heading. You can acknowledge with an IDEC.
What is general localizer on the present heading? You say 845.
Jet Chair 845, when you're able, say the fuel and souls on board.
Right, we have 2 souls on board, and we have 4,200 pounds of fuel, so about 2 hours, you say 45.
Jet Chair 845, thank you. Jet Chair 845, contact Newark Tower 118.3, 18.3 today.
And now you say 845 on the ILS 11.
Jet Chair 845, Newark Tower number 1, equipment is standing by, wind is 050 at 5, runway 11, clear to land.
11, clear to land, you say 45.
Wind 050 at 6. Jet Chair 945, do you require any assistance?
We did right now.
Jet Chair 945, roger, make first available left turn to vacate. Taxi Zulu 5 to signature.
Okay, left hand Zulu 5 to signature.
Jet Chair 945, as you taxi, squawk 1200.
Squawking 1200, Jet Chair 45.